Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tech tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Magisk modules to elevate your rooted Android device. We'll be installing two powerful modules that will not only enhance your device's aesthetics, but also optimize its battery life. First up, we have the Valorant font module. This module is inspired by the sleek and modern typography of the popular game, Valorant. By installing this module, you'll transform your device's font style, giving it a fresh and visually appealing look. The second module we'll be exploring is the fast charging controller. As the name suggests, this module allows you to take control of your device's charging speed. By limiting the charging current, you can significantly reduce stress on the battery, leading to a longer battery lifespan. This is especially beneficial for devices with aging batteries or those that are frequently charged overnight. To install these modules, you'll need to have Magisk Manager installed on your device. Here's a simple guide. Download the Valorant font and fast charging controller modules from the video description. Open Magisk Manager. Navigate to the Modules section. Tap the plus button to add a new module, select the downloaded module files. Magisk Manager will automatically install the modules. While the module offers basic settings, you can delve deeper into its configuration to fine-tune the charging limits. Experiment with different settings to find the best balance between charging speed and battery health. By following these steps and tips, you can effortlessly install and configure these two powerful Magisk modules to elevate your Android experience. Remember, always back up your device before making any modifications. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during the installation process, feel free to leave a comment below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tech tutorials.